Fisheries jurisdiction. United Kingdom versus Iceland.
Background information and legal mechanisms. The Treaty of 1961. This gave Iceland 12 nautical miles off its coastline for exclusive fisheries. The United Kingdom ratified this treaty on the grounds that any future disputes regarding fisheries jurisdiction outside the zone must be settled by the ICJ.
July 17, 1971, Iceland stated that they do not recognize the Treaty of 1961. Their aim was to increase their nautical jurisdiction from 12 miles to 50 miles.
On April 14, 1972, the United Kingdom brought the case forward to the ICJ. This was based on the 1961 agreement that any future concerns regarding any fisheries jurisdictions must be settled by the ICJ.
Immediately after the United Kingdom brought the case forward to the ICJ passed a temporary protocol of protection until the cases had been settled. Iceland's argument. Iceland states that because there has been a change in the circumstances of international law, that the 1961 treaty does not apply. Iceland claims that the reason behind their extension of nautical 12 miles jurisdiction is their depleting stock of fish.
United Kingdom's response. The United Kingdom claims that there has not been a radical change of circumstances within international law, thus Iceland has no justification in breaking the Treaty of 1961. The United Kingdom also stated that there was no legal framework in place that permits Iceland to extend their fisheries jurisdiction to 50 nautical miles. The United Kingdom also sheds doubt on Iceland's claim that their fish stocks are depleting. Iceland cannot legally exclude UK fishing ships outside their initial 12 nautical miles. The UK also states that in order for Iceland to legally expand their exclusive fishing zones, the reason for expansion must be examined in good faith by both countries.
What is a change of circumstances? The court must make a decision based on the following definition of change of circumstances. In order that a change of circumstances may give rise to a ground for invoking the termination of a treaty, is it necessary that has resulted in a radical transformation of extent of obligations still to be performed?
The ICJ's ruling. On February 2, 1973, the ICJ overruled Iceland's claim to not hand over jurisdiction to them. Iceland had refused to take part in any phase of the court trials as they maintained their stance that the ICJ had no jurisdiction over the matter.
Article 53, paragraph 1 and 2. Despite Iceland's absence in the proceeding, the ICJ's final ruling rests on these two contradictory articles. Paragraph 1. If one party fails to present their case, the court has the ability to rule in favor of the other party. Paragraph 2. In order for the ICJ to rule in favor of the party, the court must decide that their claim is well-founded.
The final verdict. The ICJ decided that they meet the requirements for jurisprudence. Additionally, they ruled that the change in circumstances within international law were not radical enough to justify Iceland's claim to a larger exclusive fisheries zone. The Treaty of 1961 was to be upheld and maintained.